When working with Corning Cable Systems Universal Systems, a couple connectors are encountered. They are the MTP connector, the LC connector, and the SC connector. The MTP connector is encountered when working with trunks and also with harnesses. Trunks have fabrication plugs which break out the trunk into MTP legs. Clean each MTP connector with the MTP cleaning tool part number 2104466-01 by inserting it into the tool and then cranking the tool. The connector is clean. Use the tool to clean the modules by first removing the dust cover from the modules and also removing the adapter from the tool. Insert the tool into the connector port, crank the tool to clean both ports. The tool also works for pinned MTP connectors. When working with the MTP connectors, make sure that the key is aligned with the slot inside the adapter. The modules break out the 12-fiber MTPs into individual LC connectors, which can be cleaned with the LC cleaning tool if you remove the adapter from the tool. Insert the tool into the connector and then pump the tool once to clean. If you replace the adapter and open the lid, the same tool can be used to clean individual LC connectors. Insert the LC connector into the tool, pump the tool once to clean. The SC cleaning tool works in much the same way. The part numbers are cleaner-port-LC and cleaner-port-SC. If you have any other questions, please give us a call or send us an email at cablesystems@corning.com. And remember, Corning Cable Systems recommends getting trained in fiber optic installation. We offer a series of classes, of course, and we thank you.